5 insane hacks to speed up your response time. Now, number 3 tip for supercharging your response time is to apply an AI for triaging. This point has no meaning whatsoever if you don't have the previous 2 points well done. What the AI does is essentially, imagine a box of files you just dump onto a table, and agents, what do they do? They come in and they take it one by one and they file it and put it in the right box and in the right folder, etc. Now what AI does is just takes these and reads them all and does it very fast, and this is what we can use this functionality for. And what it does is it quickly assigns a type of request to this. Usually how these AIs work is they put a tag on these tickets. With that tag you can create a business rule to say, if a ticket has this tag, directly assign whatever option in my dropdown, which is the type of request. This is how AI works in this situation.